Hey YouTube, today I do another video. Hold on. So I'm doing another video. Well, the video that I did today is just saying that I was changing my name and all that. Usually I just wanted to play the a gameplay today. And I feel like I'm sounding boring right now, but I wanted to play gameplay today. But at the same time, I wanted to tell you guys that I changed my name and all that. Thanks, bro. So yeah, I'm playing with my friend Knowingly Candy, as actually since I have no brother. He calls me brother because he feels bad for me. So yeah, I just call him brother, and he calls me brother. Run, 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 run. Dang it. These people are annoying. Alright, got him. Alright, yeah. My turkey armor are upstairs. My turkey arms are fat. Alright, so I got this dude. Now he's gonna come on his brother. Alright, so where is this guy? Alright, so dude, I think he left. Yeah, he left. I found the Xbox noob. Okay, coming. Alright, so he found the Xbox noob. Where? Trying to get these people because they are just showing off and being very annoying. That's what I would say. Got him. Alright. Oh, he left. He left. Want to end the game. Alright. So he wants me to kill him. Sometimes I just feel really bad killing him. But at the same time, he told me to. Yeah, just kill me. Alright. I always feel bad. But, yeah, okay, so we're gonna play a new game. Okay. New game. And there is new. Okay, new game and there's new people. Alright, so. Of course, that's not approval because I bought a new face today. And. Alright. So. Those Xbox noobs, they're pretty annoying. They're just showing off and being annoying. Alright, so there's new maps. I like this homestead one. Oh. What's homestead? Oh yeah, there's new people. Let's do homestead next. I don't know why I did homestead with a space. Okay, so the map is loading. And hopefully he's not the beast because I wanted to team with him. Okay. Oh yay, it's wait, no, I did homestead wrong. Oh yeah, it's homestead. Dude, did the beast just spawn right where I am? I'm in a house. Oh my god. House. I voted. Yay. Alright, so... Oh shoot, I don't want to go there. I want to escape this house. It's covered... in brown bricks. Alright. So, the beast was just here. And maybe I shouldn't be saying that because the beast will see that. It's covered in brown bricks. Alright. So, this kind of looks like my map. Ooh. And has a garage next to it. Oh shoot, oh shoot, 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 shoot. Oh god. Okay, I'm lost. The beast chased me out. Alright, okay, so I'm lost. The beast chased me out. I don't know where to go. Wait, no. She's camping the house. Alright. So, I'm not gonna go there. You know what? I'm gonna have the guts to do this. Oh, he's right there. Oh god. I'm getting out of here. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh god, he's right there. I see his particles. Oh my god. I'm coming. Oh my god, he's in a White House now. I see his particles. Oh my god. Thank goodness for having... Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, so there's nothing there. Oh god. We literally almost died there. That beast literally was so close to killing me. I don't want to be Thanksgiving dinner yet. Right, let's hack this computer. Please don't be a noob and destroy this. Please don't. Please, please, please. Hopefully she's not. Okay, she's not. We went through the first test. Okay. Alright, so we're hacking it away like a team would. I'm new to this map, okay? I am too. Don't worry. Alright, let's go find a new. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe there's computers over here. Let's check in here. Nope. Alright, so that's an already hacked computer. Well, let's go finish that one at the house if the beast's still not camping. There's already a computer that's already hacked in there. Right, come on, come on, come on. I didn't see him. Alright, so this girl's hacking. Hacking away. Hacker, hacker. Hacking away. Hacking. Yeah, the reason why it said not approval is because I got a new face. Alright, so we gotta hack this. Oh god. No! Oh god! She got him. Oh no. I didn't want her to! I'll come get you back. Oh my god, don't worry. Yeah, sure you are. Oh my god. Alright. Did she get him? Did she get you on her rope? Oh my god. Ooh. I have 5 minutes left to record. Oh my god! She got him! Yeet! Bro, I got pro skills! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Bro, is he still over here? Alright, so he left. No. Okay, good. Alright, good. Oh god, that girl. You know, I'm escaping. I think the beast got her. I can't. I'm sorry, girl, if you're watching this. Oh god. I think she escaped. Hopefully she did. Ooh, that was some scary stuff. Alright. We made it. I'm going to stop record. Alright guys, so that was the video the gameplay video with my bro Knowingly Candy. He's not my he's not blood related bro, but Roblox bro. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow if I make one. Bye.